Hello, here's another AQA question on the mechanics topic. If you want to try this video, try to answer this question yourself, pause the video now. You've got the answer right. Well done. Here's my explanation. Two cars, P and Q, leave from the same point and travel in the same direction. Q leaves at time t equals 0 and P leaves 1 second later. The figure shows the velocity time graph for P and Q. What is the distance between P and Q when the time is 8 seconds? So the area under a velocity time graph is equal to the distance travelled. So if I find the area for Q under line Q, I can find out how far Q has travelled. If I find the area under the line P, I can find how far P has travelled, and the difference between them will be the distance between them. So let's find the area under line Q. Well, that's a triangle, which is a half times base times height. That's a half. The base is 8. The height is 40. Into my calculator, that'll give me an answer of 160 meters. Let's find the area for P. The area for P is slightly more complicated because first of all we've got a triangle section here, and then we've got a rectangle there. So let's find the area of the triangle and the rectangle. So again, a half. The base is 2. The height of that triangle is 20. But we've also got to add on to that this rectangle, which has a base of 5 and a height of 20. Altogether, that comes to 120 meters. So the difference between those is 40 meters. Answer A. If this was helpful, if it was useful, click on that subscribe button please. Share with your friends, hit the like button and watch more in the series. Thank you for watching.